Why do we need capacitors? Is it present in one-phase and three-phase motor? Capacitors are required in electrical systems to store electrical energy, create phase displacement, and improve system performance. In AC circuits, especially motor applications, capacitors are mainly used to produce a leading current, which is essential for motor starting and power factor improvement. Capacitors are used for the following purposes: to produce phase difference. A capacitor causes current to lead the voltage. This phase shift is essential for creating a rotating magnetic field in single-phase motors. To provide starting torque. Single-phase induction motors are not self-starting. Capacitors help develop starting torque by creating an auxiliary phase. To improve power factor. Motors and inductive loads draw lagging current. Capacitors supply leading current, reducing reactive power and improving efficiency. To reduce line current and losses. Improved power factor reduces current drawn from the supply. This lowers I²R losses and improves voltage regulation. Is a capacitor present in a single-phase motor? Yes. Capacitors are essential in single-phase motors. Reason: a single-phase supply produces only an alternating magnetic field, which cannot produce starting torque. Function of capacitor in one-phase motor creates a phase difference between main winding, auxiliary winding, produces a rotating magnetic field, enables the motor to start. Types of single-phase motors using capacitors: capacitor start motor, capacitor run motor, capacitor start, capacitor run motor, permanent split capacitor PSC motor. Is a capacitor present in a three-phase motor? No. Capacitors are not required for starting a three-phase motor. Reason: a three-phase supply naturally produces a rotating magnetic field. Three-phase induction motors are self-starting. Sufficient starting torque is inherently available. Note: capacitors may be connected externally for power factor correction, reduction of reactive current. They are not part of the internal motor construction.